In this video we're going to learn how to use the range statement, or really the for and range statement together, so that we can do lots of things at once just by changing a value a certain number of times. There'll be several ways of using this statement and I shall try and show you all of them. Okay, so I've already opened up a new file and I've already called it range.py. So let's see what we can do. So first of all, sorry, I don't want to do that. Say for, and I can choose any variable here. I'm going to say I in range. I'll talk about this just now. 10. And then it's going to do everything. I'm going to put full colon because we're going to do lots of things. Let me just type this and we'll talk about what it's going to do. So it's saying here we want this range 10. Now range 10 is the bit that we're looking for. So that's 0, always starts at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it's up to but not including 10. And I'm saying, look, for each value, and I've decided to call that a value I, in that range, could we print it? So that's that bit done. I'm just going to do F5. Yeah, I want to save it, print it, and look, it's printed the I value. So first time it took the first value in the range, which was 0, it printed it. It then went back and it did the second value and it printed it, and so on. We can do calculations with that value. So let's have a look. Let's do that I multiplied by 2. Have a think about what it will do. Let's just run that. We've changed it. Yep, I want to save it. So now it's done 0, 2, 4 all the way up to 18, and that's because the first value was 0 and 0 times 2 is 0, and the second value was 1, and 1 times 2 is 2, and so on. We get our values. What if I want to, I'm just going to go back here, I want to go over a different value. Was there something special about 10? Well, of course there wasn't anything special about 10. Let's run that one there, and this one's going to go from 0 to 19. Remember, we always start at 0, but it's up to but not including 20. What if I wanted to start at 10 and go to 19? What if I put two values in there separated by a comma? The first value is where we start, and it is where we start. And this one is the one we go up to but not included. So let's run that one there. And look, 10, because that's our start value, up to 19, because we don't include 20. Well, that's fine. This is going up by 1 each time. What if I want to go up by 2 each time? And of course, we've seen how we could do that already by doing it as a calculation, but I really don't want to do that. Let's make one that okay, let's do this one here, and let's go up in 3s, for instance. Let's run that. Let's see what happens. Think about what will happen. Starting at 10 and going up to 20, but going up by 3 each time. Well, we've got the 10. If we add on 3, we get 13. Add on 3, we get 16. Add on 3, we get 19. We don't do any more than that. So we can go up by different numbers each time. What if we want to do some of the other things that we've learned already instead? Well, we have this for statements, and we've had to do the full colon, indent 4 spaces to put any commands there. Well, we can put other things in there. Remember, we learned about the if statement last time. So if I, has the value 7, then we're going to print lucky. Okay, some people think it's a lucky number. Else, print I. There we go. So this one's I's going to take on the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If it has the value 7, it's not going to print I, it's going to print lucky. Otherwise, it's just going to print the I value. Let's see that running. This is our last one. Save that, run it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it had the value 7, so it prints lucky instead, and then it goes back to 8 and 9. So we can put things that we've learnt already within there as well. We've reached the end of our video. Please remember to subscribe. In the description below the video, you will find links to exercises that you can do to make sure you understand what we've done. Each video is going to build on what we've done before, so that the knowledge that we gain gets more and more thorough. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay in field with Winfield.